Good morning children, how are you? See, in the last session we have learned that the longitudes and the latitudes, right? And we have some activities. Yeah, maximum members are finished, complete that worksheet and sent me also. But still some students didn't complete that work. So as early as possible, take a books and finish the works and send me to Christmas app. Here, I will tell that answers of all activities here. See, first one. The first activity in the already first activity I have already explained you cinema hall, tennis court, post office like that. You should complete this, and this one is also very easy. So look deep. 1.2. The dash divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. What is that answer? Equator. The equator only equates the Earth into two equal parts. Now we are learning. So that one answer equator. Second one is the dash divides the Earth into the eastern and western hemisphere. Yeah, this is a eastern and western hemisphere. That means prime meridian. So here you should complete the answers. If it is complete, don't worry. Once check it once. Otherwise, complete that. Here another activity also there. We have to write that here equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and here Arctic Circle, North Pole. Here Antarctic Circle, South Pole, and middle one is a prime meridian. This one also completed so many members. And the page number 8 here, the activity is there. So what is the question actually? Why do you think the live telecast was scheduled at different times in the mentioned cities? Yeah, all over the world. So each and every place has a different times. I already told you. So many longitudes we have. Totally we have that 360 longitudes. Okay. So one longitude to another longitudes. Here I have already drawn to you and explained you. Yeah, these are the prime meridian. Sorry, this is the prime meridian. So this is the longitudes, right? So the time difference between one longitude to another longitude is 1 hour. That means 15 degrees. Okay, 15 degrees. Each degree 4 minutes means total 15 degrees. So the places, in the world, so many countries are there. So each and every country has the different time. So here the match, the cricket international match, they are observing Sydney, Mumbai and London. I already told the easternmost countries, that means Australia, Russia, Japan. So these countries get the sunrise first. Okay, compared to Europe, India and what is that? Africa, much later after. And South America, North America, those countries last. So here sunrise time is different, sunset time is different compared here. So New York, at a time, the different places have the different timings. New York has 7 o'clock, London has 2 o'clock, Moscow has 1 o'clock, here Tokyo 5 like that. So why? What is the difference? I will tell you the reason. Here question also there. You should complete the question. You should write the question. Why do you think the live telecast was scheduled at different times in the mentioned cities? Okay. Why different time it is telecasting in different times? Why it is different in different times? It telecasting different times. See. Here sun is there. Right? Okay, this sun, this is our Earth. Our Earth half of the part which faces the sun, it experiences a daytime. That half of the part does not experience, does not face the sun, that part experiences a night time. Okay? So here the timings are different. Night time means, yeah, here maybe 12 after night 12. Here afternoon 12, here night 12. Here the different, it always rotates. Okay, this always rotates and revolves around the sun. So here Earth rotates from west to east. Yeah, I have already told you, from west to east direction. So west to east direction. Okay. Here in these lines you have to write from west to east direction. Here I will write the answer. If you write, once check that answer. Otherwise, try to write the answer. I will tell you. Earth rotates from west to east. Okay, children. Countries that are in the easternmost part of the earth experiences sunrise first. Sunrise first. The places mentioned in the table lie on different longitudes. Hence, the different time of telecast in each place. See, look at the children, this one. The earth rotates from west to east. So here, from west to east, countries that are in the easternmost part of the earth experiences sunrise first. Here I will show you the map. See, this is a map. So the countries which is located in the easternmost, these countries get the experiences sunrise first. That means Australia, Japan, okay, these islands and Russia, of the Russia part. Okay, these countries experiences sunrise first. The places mentioned in the table, that means Sydney, Mumbai, and another city also there. Sydney, Mumbai, and London. Okay, these cities labeled in the different longitudes, hence the different time for telecast in each place. So these cities lie in the different longitudes. Different longitudes means we have the different times. Okay, so Earth is rotates. So this is the complete answer. You should complete this. If you already complete this, once check it once. See here, Earth rotates from west to east direction. Countries that are in the easternmost cities, those experience sunrise first. Okay, that is why. So each country, that is Mumbai, Sydney, London. These three cities are totally different. These three cities located totally different longitudes. So that's why one longitude to another longitude we have that 1 hour difference, 1 hour time difference. So that's why that places the live telecast. That live telecast has the different timings. So after each place, that means Mumbai, Sydney, London. Okay, if you complete, no problem, let's take it. Otherwise, complete this one. Write down. Here, the Earth. Here one picture. Yeah, I am showing one picture now. See this one. This is the Earth. This Earth faces the Sun. The half of the part, okay, this half of the part faces the Sun directly. Okay, faces the Sun directly. This part experiences daytime. The half of the part which is not faces the Sun is experiences nighttime. Okay. Here, so here 2 points are there, A and B. So here one activity also there. Say I will ask you question, you have to answer that. Let us see who will tell the first. Sun rays falling on Earth at a given point of a time. Which point do you think will be hotter? Pick your response. Okay, at a specific time, you have to measure the hotness of a place. Which place is hotter? Okay, point A place is hot or point B is hot. You have to find it. See here, you have to put a tick mark in this box. Okay, you have to put a tick mark in the box. Point A, point B. Here children. So half of near to equator. Near to equator, this Earth, this part of the Earth experiences a extremely hot. That means extremely heat get from the sun. So here, compared to B, A point will get the more heat. Compared to B, A point will get the more heat because of here this phase. Sun rays falls different ways in different places. Here Earth is there. The Earth. Okay, this is Earth. Here, this is the Sun. Okay. Okay, here one equator is there. Earth is moving. It is moving always, right? So compared to this places, directly it gets the sun rays. Okay. Compared to this place, like this. Okay. So do you know the equator part, the equator region, this region get the more heat from the sun. Okay, this part especially, this part get the more heat, extremely hot. So equator region, this equator region gets the more heat from the sun. Okay, it's extremely hot compared to this region and this region because the sun rays fall directly in this region on the earth. The sun rays directly falls on this region compared to here, this place and that place. Okay, so this region we called as torrid. So this region we called as torrid zone. Okay, so this is a very hottest. The hottest region on the earth is is the equatorial region. That region we call as torrid. Why only this place get the more heat? Because of the sun rays directly fall on this region. Slightly falls on the above the region, below the region. Okay, slightly falls here, but here directly. Okay, so that is the main difference. Okay, children. In the next class, I will explain you the regions. Okay, I will explain you the regions until you have to read the spellings and just complete this activity and send me through WhatsApp. Send me through WhatsApp and the questions app also. Okay, and try to understand the different timings of a places all over the world. Okay, each and every place has a different timings because of their longitudes. We are calculating the time using the prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian is the longitude. It's an imaginary line. We are calculating the time through prime meridian. Okay, so this is the today our topic. In the next session, I will tell you the remaining regions. Okay, thank you.